everyone, welcome to this week's positive affirmation. Now, before I begin this positive affirmation, I wanted to ask you two questions. First, how many times have you ruminated over the fact that somehow your mistakes have defined who you are? Second, how many times have you overlooked the fact that you've accomplished so much in your life that it has actually shaped who you are? Now, everything in your life happens for a reason. And that is why your path and my path have intersected today. Because I'm going to tell you about this powerful affirmation which says, I am grateful for the accomplishments in my life and the things that I have overcome. So, without further ado, let's get into this positive affirmation. And if we haven't met before, my name is Megha Mathur and I welcome you to my channel, Let's Talk Mental Health, to live your best life. So let's begin. I want you to think about the proverbial saying, your mistakes don't define you. But then we don't actually believe in that saying because most of the times we do let our mistakes define who we are. Now let's understand this with an example. Say you get into an argument with your best friend. Now, at some point afterwards, you realize that you are actually the cause of that argument. You're going to feel guilt, shame, embarrassment, and now with that negative feeling, you're going to associate a negative thought, such as, I'm not a good friend. I made a mistake. I shouldn't have spoken to my friend this way. And then what happens? You have negative behaviors. You will probably pull away from your friend. And in return, you would probably create this whole new being which is more cautious, who behaves differently than they actually did prior to this incident happening. From that moment on, you've actually let fear guide who you are in your life. Now, I was watching Karate Kid with my family a few weeks ago, and Mr. Miyagi said something very profound. He says, it's okay to lose to an opponent, but it's never okay to lose to fear. And fear is our mortal enemy. When we make a mistake in life, we let fear govern all of our experiences moving forward. So if I take you back to that same example of where you had an argument with your friend, and if you were to change that outcome would be you going to that friend and saying, I am sorry for what I did. And is there a way that we can move forward? Now you've opened the channels of communication with your friend. You've created experiences now that have taught you how to behave in front of others, how to talk in front of others, how to control your own feelings and rein all your negative emotions in. So now let's circle back to this positive affirmation which says, I am proud of all of my accomplishments and the things that I have overcome. Now, in order for you to harness this powerful affirmation, I need you to do the following things. I first need you to go and get a piece of paper and write down exactly what you think is the mistake that has defined who you are. Then, I want you to write down all of those negative thoughts and feelings, emotions that have been associated with this memory. And then I want you to ask this question. How can I overcome these negative emotions and these negative thoughts? And I want you to write down 2 to 3 things that you can do to overcome that negative feeling and negative thought. And then I want you to go do them. Because remember, if you let your mistake stop you from doing what you wanted to do, you're never going to do it. But now, because you have figured out why you felt a certain way and why you behaved a certain way and why you thought a certain way, you can actually now go and redo those things in your life again. Now, before you do that, I also want you to write your accomplishments in your life that you are proud of. But remember, I also now want you to write down all the challenges you faced when you had this accomplishment in your life. Because remember, when you achieve something, you feel the good, the better, and the best. But you forget the challenges you potentially faced when you were going after your goal. Now, once you write down these accomplishments in your life, you're going to be in awe of yourself. You're going to feel so good about yourself because you've now realized that to overcome something in your life, you did have to face challenges. You did make mistakes. You did face obstacles. And what happened in the end? You gathered experience miles. You've gathered so much experience and wisdom in yourself that you overlooked all of that because you focused on the one mistake. Now I want you to tell this affirmation to yourself every morning and every night before you go to bed. Because if you tell yourself that you are proud of your accomplishments and the things you've overcome, your mind is going to start believing in it. And it gives that healthy dose of self-esteem that is required to make sure that you are achieving your goals that you have set out to do in your life. So tell yourself this positive affirmation. I am proud of all of my achievements and the things I have overcome, because you are a human being. You are a being that is going to make mistakes, and you cannot let your mistakes define you. So I hope you found benefit from this video. And if you did, do give me a like and subscribe to my channel. And if you like to hear these positive affirmations every week, then join me every Wednesday where I release a new positive affirmation. Because remember, my goal is to relay a positive affirmation that you can start using in your life. And that one positive affirmation is going to make a difference that you will see within yourself as being the most positive thing that you can do for your own self-care. So I look forward to seeing you here next week with a new positive affirmation. Till then, live your best life.